Hello everyone, today I'm here to introduce a new product from Balance, the T45SD Clearfloor 2-post lift. First of all, this machine has a load capacity of 4.5 tons. It features an inverted oil cylinder design, which means it doesn't use traditional chain drive for lifting. Meanwhile, it has a wire rope double slider balance system, which makes the lifting and lowering process smoother. The machine also adopts an arch design principle, allowing for an installation angle of up to 30 degrees. In other words, it's asymmetrical arch type 2-post lift. The T45SD comes with a 3-in-1 joystick that combines functions such as lifting, lowering, locking, and unlocking. It also equipped with extensions and 3+3 sections arms. As you can see, the supporting arms have 3 sections, and the height of lift pad is 2 threaded sections. The locking mechanism of the arms is chamfered, designed with precision gears to prevent shaking and loosening during lifting, ensuring safe operation. Furthermore, both sides of the machine are equipped with toe protection designed to ensure user safety during operation. These are the standard configurations of this machine. The total lifting height of the T45SD is 1.91 meters. Additionally, the height and width dimensions of this machine can be customized. That's a brief introduction to our T45SD Clearfloor 2-post lift. Follow us and stay tuned for more updates from Balance.